yeah. Can you even get over there? You're about to blow away. Oh my gosh, it's so windy. I'm packing up our snacks for our tour today.
Now the Dutch took control of the Cape Colony from 1652 till 1795. From 1795, then we see that the British are here in the Cape Colony till 1803.
So this is the the most southwestern point of the African continent. And this is what they say is the point where the sailors reach when they stop going south, and then they start going east to go around Africa so that they can get to India from Europe.
It's pretty windy out here so far, but it cleared up and it's not raining and the sky is blue now, so that's pretty nice. I learned that this is actually not the most southern point of Africa, that it's the most southwest point of Africa, but I think whenever I've always heard about the Cape of Good Hope, I always thought that it was the most southern point, but the most southern point is actually a couple hundred kilometers from here. I don't remember what it was called though.
Cape of Anguilla?
Anyways, yeah, so this is not the most southern point, but it is the most southwest point.
We made it all the way up to the top, and the wind is absolutely whipping up here.
Woo! I think it's raining.
Oh yeah. Can you even get over there? You're about to blow away. Oh my gosh.
Okay, I think I want to get down now.
Okay, we can go down. It's hard to even like stand because it's so windy. It's really windy. And it's starting to rain. I feel like I'm on the Weather Channel. Oh my gosh. All right, let's go.
Well, now you can officially say that you've experienced the rains down in Africa that you've been singing about for years.
Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh. I miss the rains down in Africa. No, I don't. I'm good. That 5 minutes of rain was good enough for me. That was like sideways rain with the wind.
Definitely not the best day for a hike, but I'm glad that we made it out here before it got too bad and we could see the nice view. And it looks like the rain is letting up now. I'm sure it will start again, but it stopped for now. It's raining so hard it feels like hail pelting against my skin.
Just coming in sideways.
I spoke way too soon on the rain. It's been like 1 minute and it's already raining again, but the view is incredible. The coastline here is insane. This is one of the most beautiful beaches, and even on a bad weather day, it's still so nice. So I can't imagine how it looks when it's beautiful and sunny and blue and nice outside.
I'm just pretending that it's 85 degrees. I'm keeping my sunglasses on.
About to put your bathing suit on?
Yeah, it's so warm right now. I'm on the beach and it's not raining. Your hair's getting real curly.
I can like see it in front of my face. We finished our hike, we made it to the top, and of course, as soon as we get up here, the weather is nice and it's fine and it's not raining, and it still is a little bit windy, but it's not like tornado hurricane winds like while we were hiking. Have this whole pot of curry. I got the Cape Malay vegetable curry, which smells good, and Ben got an entire fish.
I didn't know. I thought I was gonna get like fish strips, I guess, but it looks like it got the whole fish straight up.
I'm starving.
That looks good.
You wish you had gotten this.
Kind of. Is it good?
It's really good. It's like a lot of flavor. It kind of reminds me of, I don't know, it doesn't really remind me of anything because it's like, it's not a spicy curry at all, but it's like a lot of like vegetable flavor, but not spicy.
Pretty good.
You're not usually a big fish and chips guy, so
Not fish and chips.
I know if you say it's good, then it's good.
Not a fish and chips guy, but this is really good.
We're about to see the penguins.
Yay!
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I've seen so many pictures of this, and I can't believe that we're here. Just a tiny amount of people here. It's like dripping off.
The storm came on so quick and I'm freaking soaked. I tried to like dry myself off with paper towels from the bathroom.
So, oh my gosh, we saw the penguins for about 2 minutes and then it started downpouring. So we're gonna wait out the rain. He's just right under the steps there.
That's funny.
Hello. Hi. The only time that I've ever seen penguins is at like an aquarium or a zoo, and they've always been big penguins. I did not know that penguins could be this small.
I didn't know that either. I think because these are African penguins.
Yes, our tour guide also told us that you can tell that they're African penguins because they have a line of pink like right above their eyelid, and that is how you know that it's an African penguin. The penguins here are very cute. The people here, not so much. We just watched a kid throw beef jerky at the penguins. So if you're doing anything with animals, don't do that.
Don't feed the animals.
He literally threw that huge chunk of beef jerky right at him, and no one said anything.
These are some massive boulders.
This reminds me of the SpongeBob thing where he's like, "That's a big boulder."
Doesn't Donkey say that in Shrek?
Oh, maybe it's Shrek. Penguins in South Africa. Check.
Cha-ching! It doesn't record. Okay.